Somebody's asked for a lesson on a tune called Sarikouz, Trapezountas. It's also the name of a dance. Trapezounda is the Greek name for Trabzon, today's Trabzon, so the song and the dance originates from there. To the person that asked for it, I hope you like it, and to anyone else that wants to learn it, I hope it helps. I'll play the tune first. Then it goes round and round. So the instrument's tuned to A, E, B. A, E, B. So starting with the forward bow movement with the second finger touching the middle and the low pitched chord, we're going to play a forward bow movement with the bow touching two strings, the same strings that our fingers are on. So we can hear both strings equally. And we're going to go forward and back, forward, back, sorry. Then we're going to swivel over to the high pitch side. And we're going to drop the first finger touching the two strings again, the high pitched string this time in the middle. But we're just going to bring it up a little bit. Okay, so it's sort of like a half a note. And then that's forward, and then on the way back, no fingers. Forward, back, swivel, forward, back. So with the bow it's so we're going to swivel the instrument. The next bit is, and then finishing back, swivel back over to the low pitch side, same finger, same two strings. Just the one time this time, forward, swivel, back, and then we go forward, back, forward. Same, touching the same two strings. That one, first finger touching two, and then no fingers. We do it 3 times, and then we do. Okay, so it's going to look something like this. Okay, finishing forward. So the next bit, then it's bring the bow back. First finger touching two strings, second finger touching two strings on the high pitch side. Starting with no fingers. Okay. Finishing back. I think we do that twice. Or you can do a bit of a tremble. But we'll keep it simple. And then it's forward, back, not too far down. Yep. So drop the fourth, lift the fourth. The fourth only touches the high pitch string. On the third time. I'm going to slide that first finger up along the strings because that's how it sounds. there. And then now this one you can either do, you can either come, because you're going to do, you can either do second finger on the 2 strings on the high pitch side and the 4th finger on the high pitch string. We can either do that, or we're going to slide it down at that point, or we can do same thing. What's easier? Probably come down, second finger, first finger touching the 2 strings, and the second finger only touching the high pitch string. Forward, back, lift it. That's touching 1 string, that's touching the high pitch string only. This one's touching the 2. And then 4th finger high pitch, 3rd finger high pitch, again 1st finger touching the 2. This one's touching the 2 string, swivel over, 2nd finger touching the 2 string. Sorry. Touching the 2 strings on the low pitch side, 1st finger touching the 2 strings on the low pitch side. So it's dropping the 1st finger. These are always touching the 2 strings. The last bit is so 2nd finger on the 2 strings, low pitch side, forward, back, and then forward with that finger down, 2nd back with that finger down, and then swivel over, forward, back, always touching the 2 strings. Keep going, starting forward. Starts from the start, so I'll do the last bits. Okay, and then from the start. So that's pretty much it. To the person that asked for it, I hope you like it. just a reminder, there's the link in the description to this song played by a professional, and also in my playlists, in the lessons playlist, I've got over 50 songs. So if there's any other song that you want a lesson to, if it's not in the lessons, leave a comment and I'll do it if I can. Thanks for watching.